You are going to love
the 2024 Atlas Cross Sport. The Volkswagen Atlas Cross Sport screams luxury. With its eloquent exterior body lines and its plethora of interior features, this is surely a vehicle you'll want to take a look at. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, four-wheel independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.